artists. I'm going to share some quick tips and tricks with you. Today we're going to talk about how to add a slide. You will note that Google Slides only adds so many, so you're going to get to a point where you fill up all those slides and you need some more. There's a couple different ways to do that. One is by just going up here to the plus button, you can add a slide. Now, what's going to be a challenge with that is that it doesn't have the same background that we have already set up on our other slides that makes it look like a sketchbook. So you have that option where you just add a slide. You'll have to add your own text box or title to that page. But if you would like to duplicate that sketchbook page, we can do that as well. Now if you catch this before you run out of slides or filling up slides, then you're going to be much better off. But for example, this artist, their sketchbook was already full, so they have no blank pages to duplicate. So here's what you do in that case. I'm going to take this one. I only have a couple things on it that I might have to erase, but I'm going to click on this. I'm going to right click, make sure it's highlighted, and there we go. That took a while. And I'm going to just push duplicate slide. It is going to copy everything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my duplicate, erase what I have in. Okay, now I have a blank slide, and now I can reduplicate that slide several times. So I will have my sketchbook slide already with the text box and the background ready to go. I hope this helps in creating extra slides in your Google digital art portfolio.